Hey you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we are multiplying fractions again, and today is day 2. You're going to actually multiply whole numbers by fractions. And in order to do this, we need to change the whole number into a fraction. That means all we need to do is put that whole number over 1 to make the fraction. I'm going to multiply two denominators. I'll multiply the two numerators and the two denominators. And then I need to change if I have an improper fraction. Whenever I say simplify, I'm either talking about change the improper fraction into a mixed number, or you reduce, which is to divide the fraction by a value of a whole, one whole, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 5 over 5. So this one we did it 3 times 1, 1 times 2. We went in here because we ended up with 3 halves. We went and divided, and we have 1 and 1/2. That is one answer. And no, we don't have to write both answers just as long as I have it somewhere. So if this is what you write, I'm okay with this, you guys. So let's look at this one. I have 1/4 times 4. Now remember, we go into this neat little thing. We rewrite this one. And then I go into this one. Remember, I put it over 1 and I multiply by 4. So here I have 1 times 4 equals 4. And then here I have 4 times 1 equals 4. So ladies and gentlemen, I know we haven't really talked about this. I have 4 over 4 equals. What does 4 over 4 equals? Now I'm going to quick jump up to the top to show you, because you've had it in your notes. I know we haven't really taught you or showed you. But remember here, when we divide a fraction by a value of a 1 whole, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 5 over 5. And remember, we told you this all means 1. So what do you think 4 over 4 means, you guys? Yes, it means 1. So 1/4 times 4 is 1. Let's go to the next one. We have 4 times 2/5. So again, we jump into here. We put our 1 on the bottom because it's a whole number, and we put the 4. 4 over 1 means the exact same thing as number 4, but we need it in fraction form. Here we put our 2/5. So I'm going to go ahead and get there. And now we multiply the numerators. We have 4 times 2 equals, yes, it is 8, you guys. And then on the bottom, I have 1 times 5 equals, yes, 5. And then right here, I write my fraction. I have 8 over 5. Is 8 bigger than 5? Yes, so we need to simplify. We need to turn it into a mixed number. So I'm going to jump right here. We're going to quick scribble. So I have 8/5. So I get my divisor, I get my dividend, I quick write out my numbers, and once I'm over, I know I stop. I put 1 here because 1 times 5 is 5. I subtract, and I have 3 left over. So remember, that's my remainder 3, you guys. So I have 1 and 3. Yes, fifths. My denominator does not change. So there's my answer. So I'm going to hit save and close. And then right down here, write 1 and 3/5. That is one answer. Let's go look at number 3. 1/3 times 7. So I get into my little box and put the 3. Go up and put my 1. I do the same thing over here. Well, not the same thing. I have a 7. So I have to put my 1 first and then put my 7. So now I multiply the numerators. 1 times 7 equals 7. And then my denominator, 3 times 1 equals 3. Now I create my new fraction. I have 7/3. I know 7 is bigger than 3, so I need to simplify. I need my mixed number, you guys. So I'm going to go into here. I have 7/3. I know my 3 is my divisor and my 7 is my dividend. Now I'm going to quick write my multiples of 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. I see that 3 times 3 is bigger, so I'm going to go with 3 times 2. I'm going to subtract 6. I get 1 with a remainder 1. That means my answer is 2, 2, and 1/3. It's just that. I want to say it's simple, but some of you guys don't think it is, so I feel bad saying it, but I'm hoping I'm explaining it so that it could be easy for you. So remember, if it is not, it's okay. We'll find some other way to help you out. Remember, while you're doing this, to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I will talk to you later. Have fun. Bye.